China's escalating military activities and exercises near Taiwan often make headlines. That raises concerns about the looming possibility of a Chinese invasion of the island. We know that Taiwan is situated at a crucial position in the South China Sea. It holds a significant strategic importance for China. China has consistently asserted its claim over Taiwan. In fact, China has not shied away from the notion of employing force to achieve reunification. Such a scenario carries significant implications for the global economy and security, which makes it a topic of utmost importance, capable of reshaping the very fabric of our global landscape. So let us take a brief look at the far-reaching consequences that would accompany a potential Chinese invasion of Taiwan. The foremost consequence would be the disruption of the semiconductor supply chain. We are aware of the crucial significance of Taiwan as a prominent player in semiconductor production. The island hosts several important semiconductor companies. The products of these companies are essential components in countless technological devices. Devices including computers and smartphones that we heavily rely on and cherish in our everyday lives. Now, if China invades Taiwan, it would seriously jeopardize the global supply chain, as it would result in the shortage of semiconductors. That would drive up prices for various products from laptops to automobiles. The consequences don't end there. There will be cascading effects that would adversely impact numerous industries across the globe. The interconnected supply chains that sustain countless industries would be shattered, plunging businesses into a sea of uncertainty. The impact on global trade and investment would be devastating. The resulting disruptions would send shock waves throughout the global economy. That would trigger a downturn that will threaten several livelihoods. It is difficult to fully grasp the magnitude of the economic ramifications that would be unleashed by the Chinese invasion of Taiwan. Then, of course, the invasion of Taiwan wouldn't come without an escalation of regional tensions. The United States would do what it does best: intervention. It would intervene either militarily or by providing other forms of assistance to Taiwan. We can't truly ascertain the position of the United States on Taiwan, given its policy of strategic ambiguity. This approach leaves us uncertain about whether the US would defend Taiwan in the face of an attack. While the US has sold substantial amounts of weaponry to Taiwan and pledged assistance for its defense, the explicit commitment remains absent. In a world of complex alliances and competing interests, we can't be sure of geopolitical promises. But we can be sure of one thing: an invasion of Taiwan would undeniably ignite a major escalation of tensions in the Asia-Pacific region. If a direct confrontation happens between the world's two largest economies, it would reverberate throughout the globe, presenting profound implications for global stability. It would lead to a significant global crisis. The countries in the area will face a challenging dilemma. They will be presented with an arduous task. That task will be to navigate their alliances and interests in an increasingly volatile environment. Certainly, the international security and the delicate balance of power would be jeopardized. In conclusion, the invasion would be an immensely expensive and risky endeavor. China would undoubtedly encounter substantial opposition from the global community. There will be far-reaching and unpredictable consequences. The interconnected nature of our world today magnifies the potential impact of heightened regional tensions. Since it is highly unlikely that this gentleman is going to relax anytime soon, therefore it is crucial for international stakeholders to prioritize dialogue, seek diplomatic resolutions, and prioritize stability in the Asia-Pacific region. Humans are undoubtedly intelligent, but an intelligent use of intelligence is a work in progress. I hope you now have a better understanding of the extensive ramifications that would accompany a possible Chinese invasion of Taiwan. This concludes our discussion for now. Thank you for your time.